So, hey everybody again. I am now here with Susan Frazier, and Susan is Don's lovely wife. Not only is she his wife, but she also works with him at the Texas Center at Schreiner University here in Kerrville, Texas, where we are in their beautiful home. And Susan, tell everybody what your position is with the Texas Center.
So I help with State House Press. It's a publishing company that we've been running since 1995. We're in consortium with A&M Press. They do all of our order fulfillments, and our best-selling book is the Alamo and Beyond book that Phil Collins wrote, and he has since donated all his artifacts back to the Alamo. And I also help with the historical tours that we do. We go to Scotland, Ireland, and many places like that.
So as you can see, she has a broad job title. It covers a lot of areas.
I do.
So tell me what we're going to cook together today.
So before we got married, Don went to church and they would have potlucks, and a little lady named Belle Ladyman would make this cream corn. And she hand wrote us a little note of a recipe. Yeah, it has since broken because we've been using it so long.
I love a well-used recipe.
So it's cream corn. It's a cream corn. It's really easy to do and goes great with pork. I'm going to do a double recipe, so real easy. Okay, I use the sweet corn, and I keep the juices in there. Whoop.
That pan was ready for you.
It was ready
nice
for
and
me,
hot.
nice and hot. And then after we do that, we're going to put in 4 tablespoons of butter, and we're going to bring it to a boil. So that may take a minute or two. And I need to grab a spoon. Got my spoon.
Okay, that's all right. I see that you are using Ladyman's milk.
Oh yes,
that's a good Texas company. And
it is.
Tell me how you first found them and why you started using them.
Well, we shop at HEB, and we always try to support local, and it's a really good milk, I think, and good eggnog too. During Christmas.
I had their eggnog at Christmas.
Yes.
It was amazing.
Yes.
And I was surprised. It's been so long since I've returned bottles. You
yes.
actually get quite a bit of money back when it's worth returning this bottle.
It is.
Make it worth your while. So we've added the butter.
Yeah, and it's going to take a minute or so to boil.
To let that boil
so
and get down. Okay.
Yeah. I guess when we waiting for it to boil, we're going to make the cream sauce that we're going to put in there.
Okay, so you've gotten another bowl. And then you're going to
combine all these
like
other.
A cup of milk.
Mm-hmm. And then we're going to need a teaspoon of salt.
And it looks like just any salt is fine.
Yeah, any salt's fine.
Okay.
And then I've got 4 tablespoons of
cornstarch?
No, flour.
Oh, flour. Okay.
And then we've got 6 teaspoons of sugar.
That's where the sweet comes in.
Yes.
Along with it being sweet corn already.
Yes. And so I mix it up so we can, get all the flour.
Whisk it up.
Get all the lumps out.
Remember our mothers telling us that? Get all the lumps out.
Get all the lumps out. Yep. Get all that done. And it looks like the corn is boiling. So once it boils, we're going to put this milk mixture in here.
And that is going to serve as a thickening agent.
Yes, it is. And so we're going to bring it to a boil again and then cook it for about 2-3 minutes.
And I got a little background on this story, that this was actually Don's wedding present, this recipe.
Yes.
And so it's the recipe, or the gift, the wedding gift that keeps giving
and
giving and giving. I love that.
It is.
So there's an idea for the person who has everything. Maybe it's just a recipe is all they need.
Exactly. For sure. And this does not taste like the canned cream corn at all.
Oh.
So I never liked the canned cream corn. I like this because the canned cream corn seems to be mushed.
It is kind of mushy.
And this
still
is
has
not
the kernels
the
in
kernels.
it. And
yeah. And so you just have to keep stirring so it doesn't
Okay.
burn on the bottom. And you can kind of tell when it's starting.
Oh, it's starting
See,
to
it's
thicken
starting
up
to
just a
thicken
little
up.
bit. Yeah, by the way that it coats
By the way,
your spoon. Oh, and it's looking good.
I think
You can almost
that is
taste
it. Yep. Well, I'm going to turn this down, and I'm going to go grab a spoon for you to taste.
Oh, yay! All right. You just tell me when.
Okay. When?
Are we ready?
We're ready?
When, okay. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, look at that. Mmm. Okay. That is the best cream corn I've ever had in my life. That is so good.
Isn't it good? And it's so easy.
So easy.
And can
yeah.
feed
like
big
that.
crowds. I put it in a crock pot, so I cook it and then I'll put it in a crock pot so it won't burn.
And that's
Great to
one of the
make in
dishes that
potlucks.
you feed the students when
Yes,
they come.
yes,
and,
or potlucks for Christmas up at work or whatever.
yeah. Oh, I bet it's gone. You
It
probably
is-
come
it is
home with
gone.
an empty
I
container.
do. I do.
Thank you, Susan.
You're
that
welcome.
was amazing.
You're welcome.